Experience raw spreading power and maximum efficiency with Laird Manufacturing's Spreader Series. Cover acreage faster with Laird's heavy-duty walking beam suspension and powerful PTO-driven vertical beater system, which delivers one of the widest spread patterns and most consistent coverage on the market. Laird spreaders are designed for demanding applications and payloads, like orchard removal, wood chip, and manure spreading, while consistently delivering tested dependability and minimal downtime. Choose strength. Choose American-made equipment with parts and service you can trust. Choose Laird Manufacturing for orchard and manure spreading. Call today for price and availability.